Basic conversation between brother and sister.
Hey, Richard, what are you doing?
I am watching TV.
What are you watching on TV?
I am watching The Lost City movie on the TV. Do you want to watch this movie with me?
I am not free now.
As you wish. While going to the kitchen, please turn up the volume.
I am getting late, so get up and help yourself.
Okay, sis.
After an hour.
Richard, are you still watching TV?
Yes. I am watching my favorite movie.
I want to talk to you. Can you please switch off the TV?
Just wait for sometimes. The movie is going to end.
I will be waiting for 10 more minutes. Then I am going to switch off the TV.
Okay, sis. Don't be angry. I am coming.
After 10 minutes.
Tell me, what is the matter? By the way, where is Mom?
Mom has gone to the church.
Okay.
I wanted to talk to you regarding the importance of the time.
What is that?
I see you the whole day, sitting near the TV. When I was your age, I used to spend my whole day according to the timetable.
But I don't waste my time. I love watching movies. And it is my vacation now. So I can do whatever I want.
No. It is not like that. It might be your vacation, but you should not waste your time. Try to do something that will be beneficial for you.
Then suggest me. What should I do that is beneficial for me and not boring?
Yeah, sure. You can spend your time reading new books, doing art and craft, solving mathematics. Join spoken English course that improves your spoken English. You can even go to a summer camp or new classes to improve your learning.
It sounds interesting.
Yes, it is interesting. When I was your age, I also watched movies, but I used my whole day thoughtfully and fruitfully. Passing time can't be got. Therefore, we should utilize the time wisely in such a way that it benefits us.
I will definitely try to work on what you told me.
I am always here to help and support you.
Thanks, sis.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.